Jupyter page. Please all participants open Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. All participants please open Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. Desktop, select your badge folder Python 17 and open your file. Now I have done this step, so I am going to type here done. Now please all participants complete this step and type done within Zoom chat. Okay, now please all participants import your ficus file. So when you want to import any file in R, you need to import, you need a package named pandas. So import pandas as pd run this line. It will give you new line. It's mean your script is properly working. Now next step, type your script pd dot read underscore excel, your file name. I need brackets. So file name is ficus. Inverted comma ficus dot xls inverted comma close and run this line. It will show you preview of your dataset. Now convert your script into code. Give equal sign. Please all participants convert your script into code. Give equal sign and type your file name ficus and press run button. It will convert your data or convert your script into ficus code. No, just run ficus instead of complete script. It will show you show your data in main screen of Jupyter. Okay, now I have done this step. Please all participants make sure you have done this step. If yes, type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. Please all participants confirm. If anyone having issue, please let me know so that I can resolve your issue. Because these are the basic classes, you may face difficulties. Don't worry, share your screen, I will resolve. If you have done, type done. Yes, Fazil Ahmed, which type of data you have in Word file? Mostly you need data in Excel sheet because Excel sheet is favorable for data analysis purpose. If you have data in Word, copy and paste in your Excel sheet, but maybe some type of data is not suitable for Excel, then you let me know. I will guide you how to import Word file, PDF file, or any other file format into R. But suitable data file is Excel or CSV for any type of analysis. Okay, now next step, I want to perform basic plots. For example, scatter plot, which we have done in our previous class. So your task is scatter plot. So when you want to perform any analysis, a question should be arise in your mind, which package will be used. So now your task is create plot. So the question should be arise in your mind, which package will be used to create plot. So its answer is Seaborn. So first turn on this machine, import Seaborn as SNS. Press run button. Import, it will show you a new box or script line. It's mean, yes, I know I am just repeating because our next step is based on previous step. So we need a package Seaborn. So import Seaborn as SNS. Now I want to write script. So when you want to write script, any script, the first word of your Python script should be package name. So package name is SNS dot. No, I will use function. So function name is scatterplot, scatterplot, bracket. Within scatterplot bracket, I will give data equal ficus. I also defined here mapping. Mapping mean x and y axis. So x equal petal underscore length, y equal sepal underscore length. S is capital for sepal in our data. Press, click anywhere in this line and press run button. It will give you an error. Name petal length is not defined. It's mean I have not defined what is petal length. So first I need to define. If I give inverted comma around this variable name, it's mean it is a variable. It's a column. No, I have defined petal length. Again add inverted comma around sepal length. No, I have defined petal length is the variable, sepal length is a variable. Now I run this line again. It will show me a plot. We already have done this step. Now, if I want to add color based on different species, I have three species, three groups, S1, S2, S3, and I want to add different colors. So I will add here comma and will type here hue, H-U-E, hue mean color, because Python is a language and have its own vocabulary. and grammar. So hue is the word of Python. It's mean color. Hue equal species. S is capital for species. It should be within an inverted comma because it's a variable name. Press anywhere in this line and press run button. It will show you plot with different colors and showing you a legend list showing S1 blue color, S2 orange color, and S3 green color. Now please all participant complete this step and type done within Zoom chat. I have done. You also please type done. Now our next step is I want to create bar plot. Now my task is bar plot. I will again type. No, you can type or copy and paste your previous script. If you copy and paste, you can save your time. Copy. Copy the script and paste here. Now I want to replace point plot with bar plot. So I will replace scatter plot with bar plot and will run this line. It will show me bars, but bars are not clear and overlapping with each others. If you have attended our language classes, in our language classes, when we have completed our bar graph, the requirement of bar graph was need only one axis. The requirement of bar graph was one axis in the case of R, but no, it's working on both axes. That's why it's looking not good. You need to provide only one axis. If you give one axis, remove y-axis. No, run this line. No, it's looking good. If I give here y, no, value petal length is on y-axis. So these values are on y-axis, S1, S2, S3. And if I give here x equal species and run it again, it is showing me module Seaborn has no attribute bar. No attribute bar. So there is complete name bar plot. I will run it again. It will show me bar plot. In your previous plot, there was no any label at x-axis. No, in x-axis, species S1, S2, S3, while on y-axis, there is a sepal length scale. Now, please all participant draw this plot, open WhatsApp group and share. Fazil Ahmed, we will learn in our upcoming classes. Don't worry. Please all participant complete this plot and type done within Zoom chat. so that I
सर कैन यू
start this
प्लीज
from
शो मी द फर्स्ट स्टेप जिसमें वो
first,
आपने इंपोर्ट किया है और
वो फाइल ये वाला स्क्रिप्ट ना आप अगर आप किसी नोटबुक पे पास लिख लें,
जी
क्योंकि
जी सर।
ये अब आपने हमने बार बार यूज़ करने हैं, या तो इनको ज़ुबानी याद कर लें, या फिर आप ना इनको ये वाले स्टेप की बात कर रहे हैं, इंपोर्ट पांडा एसपीडी।
यस सर।
ठीक है, ये हम बार बार हर रोज़ हमने इनको यूज़ करना है, तो या तो आप इनको अपने पास लिख लें या इनको ज़ुबानी याद कर लें। ठीक है,
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
या इसकी स्क्रीन की पिक्चर बना लें, तो जब भी आप यूज़ करें वहाँ से देख के आप टाइप कर लें। ओके, नो I have done, but I need response from all participants. Only no one have typed done. I am waiting for your reply. Here is recent script. If anyone unable to create or facing errors, warning message, please let me know so that I can resolve your issue. Okay, no.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, एक्चुअली आई हैव मिस सम स्टेप्स बिकॉज आई जॉइंड लेट। तो अब जब मैं कर रही हूँ तो आई एम गेटिंग एन एरर। कैन आई शो
Okay,
योर
okay,
शेयर यू माय।
share your screen, share again. It is showing
यस
you
सर।
no modules name panda. It's not a panda, it's pandas.
ओके सर।
ओके, अब बाकी आप देख के लिखेंगे तो वर्क करेगा इंशाल्लाह। ओके,
थैंक यू।
जहाँ पे इशू है फिर मुझे बता दीजिएगा। ये स्क्रिप्ट की ना आप तस्वीर बना लेना, उसको देख के फिर वर्क कर लें।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, ये मैं शो कर रहा हूँ आपको। पहला स्क्रिप्ट ये है, इसकी तस्वीर बना लें, बल्कि ये मैं ग्रुप में शेयर कर देता हूँ स्क्रीनशॉट इसका। Okay, now next we want to perform box plot. So no, again copy the script. So try to copy script which have both axes. So I have changed axis from here. So I need to use script which have both axes with variables. Copy and paste in new script line and replace scatter with box plot and run. It will show you a box plot like this, but it's again, you need only one axis for readings values and one axis for group. So if you replace here with petal length with species, it will show you good appearance like this. Now you have three plots. One is S1, S2, S3. It's for sepal length. If you want to create same plot for petal length, so add here, replace sepal with petal underscore length and run. It will show you plot for petal length. If you want to create this plot for other variable like sepal underscore width, S is capital, and run. It will show you plot for sepal width. Drag and drop into group and type done within Zoom chat. Dr. Asif Imran, please drag and drop. Here is the so click and drag like this. You can drag it anywhere. Click and drag and open your WhatsApp group, paste here and send message. It will appear in group. By default, the visualization power of Python is good as compared to R. In R, you need to enhance quality of plot, but in Python, by default, its quality is very good. Okay, now I want to create hist plot or histogram. So again, copy the script, copy, paste here, and replace box plot with hist plot, hist plot, and run. It will show me hist plot like this because I have added species on x-axis and sepal and width on y-axis. If I give just one axis, now I want to remove second for x-axis. I want to show sepal width data on only y-axis and run. It will show me histogram like this. It's the original histogram. If you want to show on x-axis, because I want to show species data on x-axis and variables data on y-axis. No, if you want to replace y with x, it will show you plot on histogram plot on x-axis. Drag and drop into group. Okay, please all participants create this plot and type done within Zoom chat. If you want to create a hist plot, for histogram, you need only one axis. Now copy the script. For example, here is a script for box plot. Copy, open new line, paste here, and replace box with hist. Hist, because the name of histogram is the hist, and run. it will show you plot like this, but it's not a histogram. I have applied both axes. For a histogram, you need only one axis. So replace x-axis and press run button. It will show you histogram on y-axis. If you want to show on x-axis, replace y and type x and run. It will show you this plot on x-axis. Drag and drop into group. Now I think all participants have done this step. If still anyone facing errors, please let me know so that I can resolve your issue. Okay, now next you want to create density plot. So the name of density plot is KDE. Now copy the script because for density plot we need only one axis. Copy, paste here and replace KDE plot and run. It will show you a density plot. If I use another function, fill equal species, inverted comma close, S is capital for species and run. It will show me field plot like this. If I replace sepal width to sepal length, it will show me plot for sepal length. So here is the plot for sepal length. If I want to draw a plot for petal length, I will replace sepal with petal and run. It will show me plot for petal length. Now drag and drop into group and type done within Zoom chat. I have done this step. Now I need response from all participants.
Sir, you are good.
जी सर जी सर क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं
लास्ट में ना बिल्कुल स्पीड आपने
अच्छा
तो
स्पीड ज्यादा हो गई अच्छा मैं
कोड
जस्ट हाँ ये कोड ये जस्ट मैंने ना ये फिल इक्वल स्पीशीज किया बाकी वही कोड है सारा और ये पेटल लेंथ और पेटल विड्थ को मैंने चेंज किया बस okay now if you want to create a violin plot again copy script which have both axes so here is the above script which have both axes this one copy paste here and replace scatter with violin plot and run. It will show you a plot like this. It's mean you also need one axis for this. So replace and remove x-axis and run it again. It will show you violin plot like this. If you add species instead of petal length, it will show you species names on x-axis. Yes, here are, you can check no names appeared, S1, S2, S3. Drag and drop into group. Now please all participants draw these plots and share in group and type done within Zoom chat.
कौन सी वन चॉकलेट नहीं कल नहीं इतना कुछ
Okay, now please all participants, you are allowed to use your own data set. Try to import your original data if you have, and try to create plot by using two variables just for practice. And maybe a question in your mind, we are using only two variables, but in your original data, you have multiple variables. So don't worry, we will hopefully work for multiple variables in our tomorrow class. Fazil Ahmed code is visible, I think. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. If okay, type clear. And in our next class, we will work for use of AI for how to generate script with the help of AI for Python. Now you are able to handle some basic skills, how to install package, how to library or activate package, how to write script, how to read script, how to edit a script. Now in our tomorrow class, we will work on how to generate script on your own dataset, and tomorrow class we will also draw different type of plots for multiple variables. In our today class or previous classes, we have done plots just only for two variables. In our tomorrow class, we will use or we will involve multiple variables, and try to import your original data so that if you want to perform real analysis or original analysis on your data, you start your work. If you found any issues, you can discuss me in WhatsApp message or call on your about your own data set. Okay. Okay. No, thanks. Allah Hafiz.